I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Math-maticTV. So this simple tutorial, I will show how to use the Weierstrass substitution in integrating integrals. So this substitution is very useful in integrating integrals with a trigonometric functions. Example, we have a problem. Integral of cosecant x dx. So this is equal to integral of dx over sine x. And let's input this value into the integral. So this will become integral of dx, which is 2 over 1 plus t squared. So this will become 2 dt over 1 plus t squared, then sine x, which is 2t over 1 plus t squared, and this will be cancelled. Now we're just integrating integral of dt over t, and this is equal to ln of t, then plus c. But we need to substitute back the value of t. So the value of t is tan, or the half angle of tan x. So this will become, or this is equal to ln of tan x over 2, then plus c. Hence, this is our final answer. Alright, let's proceed to the second example. Now, what if we have a problem? Integral of dx over 1 plus cosine x. So again, using this substitution, this is equal to integral of 2 dt over 1 plus cosine x, which is 1 minus t squared over 1 plus t squared, then times 1 plus t squared. So this will become integral of 2 dt over 1 plus t squared. So distributing the 1 plus t squared here, then plus, this will be cancelled. So plus 1 minus t squared. Hence, this will become integral of 2 dt over t squared will be cancelled, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So this will become integral of dt, which is equal to t plus c. But what is the value of t? T is equal to tan, or t is equal to half angle of tan x. So this will become tan x over 2, then plus c. So this is our final answer. Actually, we can integrate this also by multiplying both sides by 1 minus cosine x. So this will become 1 minus cosine squared x. And we can use the some trigonometric identities. Alright, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please share your thoughts about it by commenting below. And if you learned something today, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see the other videos, link in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Stay tuned and see you on my next video. Thanks and God bless.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong.